How to send live location on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can send live location on WhatsApp. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. After that, open up the chat where you want to share your live location on. Once you're on the chat page, navigate to this message box at the bottom of this interface. Next to that box, there is a paperclip icon. Tap on it. From these options here, you have to tap on location. Now here you have an option to share your live location. Tap on it. Now you have your live location. Under share live location, you have a duration that you can choose. If you want to share your live location for 15 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hours, you can choose one from there. If you wish to add any comments, you can do that as well. Once you're done selecting the time and adding the comment, tap on the send icon right here. And now you are sharing your live location with the specific contact here. So in this way, you can send live location on WhatsApp, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.